What's up, guys? So I'm back at my uncle's house. It's a new day. Yeah, my harness is out for delivery right now. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the fluids put in and wait for my harness to get here so we can get this thing running today. Well, guys, boom! Game time. Shout out Justin Collins, dude. This guy kills it every single time I get anything wiring or harness related from him. Oh, by the way, I forgot to mention, if you guys use my name, Josh, through Motion Garage, when you order something from him, you can get 5% off. So, definitely do that. Justin Collins, QFAB Motorsports. He completed my harness in under a week, and I already have it back, and my car's gonna run today. Well, boys, still need to hook that up. But guess what? It's alive! Like that Arab guy. All right, guys, so it appears that everything is good. It runs, as you saw. I'm gonna go take it for a drive down the road. And yeah, I guess we'll see how she does. Alright, guys, so I figured I'd give you guys a couple revs. Oh, it sounds so good. Just so you know, it was not cold. I've been driving it, so don't worry. I'm not revving a cold engine.
Yeah, that was a good one, Dad. That was very good.
All right, guys. So I still have to like redo the hood. I gotta get all that shit off there. But I'm actually curious if you guys know. The car runs fine going straight, but as soon as I spin the wheels, it's like traction control kicks on. I've already unplugged the ABS sensor, or well, the fuses. I don't think there's an actual traction control fuse. If there is, let me know. But I'm trying to figure it out because it's kind of. I built a car to drift. If right now I spin the wheels, it like hits a brick wall and it just doesn't really want to go. Other than that, it runs well, minus it's idling really lean. But cruising AFRs are great. Boost AFRs are great. Yeah, I mean, it's only been running for a couple of hours, so I know I'll figure everything out. I've got a Tomei fuel pressure regulator I can put on it. Yeah, I mean, I've got a little bit of time to figure everything out, but if you guys have any insight on that issue I'm having, please let me know. Also, if you have any idea why it would idle lean, let me know that also. Maybe my math is bad. That, or I'm thinking it just doesn't have enough fuel pressure. I'm using an Aristo fuel pump and hanger back there. I don't know if the fuel pressure is different between that and what the 1J would use. Yeah, but I'm gonna put this away for the night, and yeah, that's gonna be it. Alright guys, so thanks for watching this video. If you have any ideas on what could possibly be my issues, let me know. Put in the comments. Hit me up on Facebook, Instagram, whatever you need to do. If you have questions about anything, if you want to do the swap or if you're working on the swap, you have questions, let me know. Yeah, I guess I will update you guys again pretty soon when I figure some more things out. But yeah, thanks. Hit the subscribe button if you haven't already, and we'll see you guys next time.